Most people think the rich have some magic formula to stay wealthy. But here's the truth. They follow a set of simple, powerful strategies that the average American either ignores or never learns. Today, I'm breaking down the 7 secret wealth-building strategies the rich don't want you to know. Strategy number 1. Own assets, not liabilities. The wealthy buy things that put money in their pocket, like real estate or businesses, not cars, gadgets, or luxury toys that drain cash. Strategy number 2, make money work 24/7. The rich don't trade hours for dollars. They invest in stocks, funds, and income streams that keep growing even while they sleep. Strategy number 3, leverage debt the smart way. Poor people fear debt. The rich use good debt, like mortgages or business loans, to buy assets that generate income. Strategy number 4, multiple streams of income. One paycheck is risky. Wealthy people always have at least 3 out of 5 sources of income. Strategy number 5, pay themselves first. Before bills, before taxes, they invest and save automatically. That's how wealth compounds. Strategy number 6, long-term thinking. The rich don't care about short-term ups and downs. They focus on 5, 10, even 20-year wealth plans. Strategy number 7, network, net worth. Rich people surround themselves with winners, mentors, partners, and investors. Your circle shapes your financial future. These aren't rocket science, but they require discipline. If you apply even 2 or 3 of these strategies consistently, you'll start to see massive changes in your financial life. So, are you going to keep living paycheck to paycheck? Or are you ready to use the secrets the wealthy don't want you to know? Hit that follow button for more wealth-building strategies.